In this video, we are returning to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and visiting the Droid Depot, where you can build your very own droid. We'll show you what to expect through the building experience, the price you'll pay, and we'll talk about if I thought the droid and experience was worth that price. We are about to build a droid! So first things first, you have to pay with your credit. It is $99. And then they will take you over to the conveyor belt where you pick out your parts. Once you make it to the front of the line, you'll get to choose between an R-Series droid, like R2-D2, or a BB-Series droid, like BB-8. The droid clerk then gives you a metal basket with the blueprints for your droid. Then it's time to head to the parts station. This is where you get to select the various parts for your droid. For the BB-Series, you need a dome connection plate, body sphere, and motivator. For the R-Series, you'll need a dome, body, center leg, and a set of side legs. First we need a grapple.
Ooh, yes! The clear one, yes!
We'll think about that.
Ooh, yeah.
White body, blue legs. I think I might go with... Is there any black in this? It really is fun to look at the different colors and options, and for the heads, the different shapes, and decide what you want your droid to look like.
Yeah.
Okay, so I got body.
Yes! Sweet.
And having the parts come by on the conveyor belt even adds more to the excitement. Then it's time for the building station. The instructions are pretty straightforward, and they have droid builders to help you if you have any questions. For me, what added to the fun is that you actually do get to use a powered screwdriver to put it together. It's not all just snap and go. Then at the building station, you have a few additional touches you can add to your droid.
I'm not sure. This just went down. You're here.
Once you have it all ready, they put it in with the remote and activate it, and you finally get to see your droid come to life.
It took 3 tries, but no time to try.
Alright.
It's that the line supposed to be a line,
It's not broken!
I'm telling her it's broken. It's not broken.
Okay, you just made her happy. It's okay.
There. Okay, let's do it then.
Knocking the head off.
I know. It's back.
The droid is very simple to operate. The forward or back buttons. One button allows him to talk. Another moves his head in either direction. And then 2 buttons to turn his direction. There's another button that only works if you buy an additional personality chip, which I might do the next time I'm in Batuu. Overall, for the quality of the droid and the experience as a whole, I thought $99 was a reasonable price. They only let one builder and one non-builder go through the experience, so you can't take a large group to build just one droid. they'll give you a sturdy cardboard carrying case to take your droid home. And one fun thing you'll find is as you walk around Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, your droid will react to other droids that you pass by, and also depending on what area of the land you're in, your droid will also react to the area and maybe even characters who walk by because of the Bluetooth inside of each of the droids. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And I have a lot more reviews and vlogs from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge coming very soon, so if you haven't already, consider subscribing. And as always, my hope is to make your next Disney adventure more magical. So thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you.
There.